How to fix Inazuma 11 Victory Road crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right-click on your game in your library, open up the Properties window, go to Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button, and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, you want to go back to the General tab and add the following command to the launch option, which is -dx11, like this without any spaces. Now you can close this and open up a browser, search for Redist, click on the first link from Microsoft and then scroll down to the second table. Make sure to download and install the 86 version and the 64 versions, both of them. You can also repair the installation if you have these already installed on your computer. Now you want to update your GPU. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will need NVIDIA app installed on your system. Can open it up and then go to the drivers category. From here you can update and install the latest version of GeForce Game Ready driver. You can also manually reinstall it if you have the latest one already by clicking reinstall here. Next you will need to restart your system by clicking on the restart button, and after the reboot you should launch Steam as admin before opening the game. Right click on Steam and run as admin. Now you can launch the game again and this should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.